friends, welcome back with another video on Commerce Katta with me Pallavi. So today's topic is event management. Firstly, what do you mean by event? It is a program or occasion, but in a simple word, an event is something that happens especially when it is unusual or important. You can use event to describe all the things that are happening in particular situation. It is a organized or a planned occasion. For example, sports matches, social gathering, festivals, programs, etc. The process of planning of event from start to end divided into 5 phases. First phase is concept, second is coordination, third is control, and fourth is culmination. It means to reach the highest point, and last, close out. So now we will continue in detail with meaning of event management, why it is very important, how to improve event management skills regarding scope and qualification, and last, how to get started. So next, continue in detail. Firstly, meaning of event management. It is a process of organizing a professional and focused event for a particular target audience. It involves visualizing concept, planning, budgeting, organizing and executing event. There are 3 types of event: private, corporate, charity. First is private. It involves wedding reception, birthday parties, festival gathering. Second, corporate. It involves conferences, seminar, product launches, meetings, business dinners. And last, charity. It involves sports events, charitable auctions, sponsored runs, sponsored cycling, sponsored walks, etc. Another is, why is event management important? From a business perspective, event management is great importance. Creating event occasionally provide an incredible opportunity to promote one's business. Event management skills are therefore necessary for the company to get required exposure and build a positive image of the overall company and as well as any brand in particular. They are not only serve as a chance for a well-established company to reach its importance by attracting and increasing number of prospective customers, but also enable a budding company to cultivate a sense of interest in the common people about the products and services they offer. Another point is how to improve event management skill. There are some helpful tips that can help you improve your event. Firstly, do not lose your composure under stress. Second, pay attention to details. Third, be a good listener. Fourth, analytical or a critical thinking and problem solving. And last, good networking skills. Next, scopes of event management. Today, there are a number of companies hosting and organizing events on regular basis. The management of event calls largely for coordination from stage 1. The first thing required is to get order for the event, usually whether it is small or a larger ones, assigned by companies or the international concert. The company or event manager is asked to submit a project report with a finances involved. On the basis of this, the assignment is given to them. Lastly, we will talk about qualification. Here involved formal education in the form of diploma or a degree in event management or in advertising or a public relation within a specialization in event management. Nowadays, some management and media institutions are also offering MBA programs in event management. Last important point is how to get started. The best way to get into the profession event management is to enter into this field as a trainee with a degree or a diploma in this field. While doing your training with an event management company, you will get an opportunity to learn how events are organized. Once you learn how to coordinate and promote, you should make your career really big in this field. A good understanding of various stages of planning in event management will definitely promise you high position. If you have a passion of event management for conducting event, having a good organizing ability and be flexible to work for long hours, you can make a successful career in this field. So guys, all the best and thank you for watching this video.